Hello guys, today I have a scooter in front of me that pleasantly surprised me after the first few kilometers, the Ausom L1 Max. This is not a scooter that tries to impress with its crazy numbers of a brutal power, but a model that focuses on what is actually most important for the most riders, and that's the stability, comfort, range and a sense of safety in a real driving. With a powerful 1000 volt motor, a top speed of 15 km per hour, a range of up to 90 km, a real swingarm suspension and a smart NFC unlocking, the L1 Max is aimed at riders who want a reliable and a serious electric scooter for everyday use. And the good news is that this model can currently be found on the Geekbuying web shop with a coupon for additional discount price, which I will tell you more about at the end of the video. So let's get started, because the Ausom L1 Max deserves a detailed video review. When you open the box of the Ausom L1 Max scooter, it's immediately clear that this is a serious product. Everything is packed very neatly and tightly with thick protective foam that holds each part in this place. Along with it you get a charger with a suitable EU adapter, additional third larger spare NFC card for unlocking and starting the scooter. There is also the warranty card, as well as a detailed Ausom L1 Max instructions for use if something is not clear during use. Assembly is minimal and simple. All you need to do is tighten and secure the handlebars, screw on the lamp at the display, and the scooter is practically ready to ride. We'll do all that and top up the scooter's battery along the way. It's clear from the very beginning that this model was designed with the emphasis of stability and durability, not on carrying it upstairs. The Ausom L1 Max uses a steel frame and you can feel it at all times. The construction feels extremely rigid without any twisting or flexing. While you stand on the platform and press the handlebars harder, everything looks and feels very reliable. Visually, the scooter looks modern and aggressive, but without exaggeration. The combination of grey and yellow gives a sporty character, but also a dose of seriousness. It's designed that attracts attention but does not seem obtrusive. The platform is wide and long, with enough space for both feet, even for taller riders. During longer rides, there is no feeling of crampedness and stability underfoot remains constant. Additionally, there is a very good ground clearance helps, thanks to which curbs, speed bumps and bad roads are no problem. Special attention has been paid to the lighting as well. In addition to the nice illuminate Ausom brand logo on the platform, there is also a front light which effectively illuminates the road ahead of you, while the rear light clearly signals braking. There is also integrated turn signals on both sides and ambient LED lighting that increase visibility from all directions at night. In the city driving, especially in the evening, this significantly increases the level of safety. At the heart of the Ausom L1 Max scooter is a powerful electric motor with a nominal power of 1000 volt, which in real conditions can deliver up to 1344 volt of peak power. That power does not feel like a sudden aggressive impact, but rather as a very controlled and smooth acceleration that instills confidence in the rider. The maximum speed of 50 km per hour may not sound extreme on the paper, but in a real driving it certainly leaves a strong impression. The scooter quickly reaches that speed, but without nervousness or jerks. Everything feels measured and stable, which is extremely important when moving on the city roads or faster bike paths. Thanks to the three driving modes, Eco, Sport and Race, the L1 Max easily adapts to the different situations. In the slower driving mode, the scooter is quiet, smooth and very economical, perfect for relaxed riding or the city traffic. In medium mode, it offers the ideal balance between power and control, while in the fastest mode, it shows the full potential and turns into a serious fast machine. A particularly pleasant surprise is the ability to climb up to 20 degrees. The L1 Max easily copes with the steeper city streets even without the start. The engine retains its power and shows no signals of fatigue, which is rare for a scooter with a single engine. Most important, the ride never feels intimidating. The scooter is stable, predictable and quiet, even at higher speeds, making it ideal for everyday use. The Ausom L1 Max is equipped with a large battery with a capacity of 20.8 Ah at a voltage of 48 watts, which in precise means almost 1000 watt-hour of energy. This is more than enough for serious daily routes and even longer weekend rides. The manufacturer states a maximum range of up to 90 kilometers. In real-world conditions, this figure is not at all unrealistic. In combined driving with the occasional acceleration and moderate speeds, the scooter easily covers between 60 and 70 kilometers on a single charge. If you ride more calmly and use a more economical mode, it is possible to travel much further. Charging this large battery takes about 14 hours, which means that the L1 Max fits most easily into the night rhythm. Plug it into at night and at the morning it was waiting for you, completely ready for a new ride. The Ausom L1 Max uses 10-inch tubeless tires with a width of 2.75 inches, and it's this combination of dimensions and construction that has a huge impact on the driving feel. The tires offer an excellent contact with the surface, whether you are riding on a smooth asphalt, poor city roads or gravel. The width of the tires provides additional stability, especially at the higher speeds and the sudden changes of direction. With recommended pressure of about 15 psi, the scooter maintains a good balance between comfort and efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of this scooter is certainly its swingarm suspension with springs. Installed both front and rear, this system absorbs shocks and vibrations very effectively, making it ride much more comfortable than with the scooters without real suspension. The suspension can also be adjusted with great advantage for riders of different body weights or riding styles. When properly adjusted, the scooter behaves extremely stably without unpleasant bouncing or loss of control. On asphalt, the ride feels soft and safe, while on the gravel, park paths and the uneven surface, the L1 Max behaves calmly and predictably. This is not an extreme off-road scooter, but for light terrain and everyday obstacles, it offers more than enough comfort. When you stand on the L1 Max and grab the handlebars, you immediately notice how well organized and logically arranged the cockpit is. All the controls are located exactly where you instinctively expect them. The feeling is very natural even if you are encountering this scooter for the first time. At the center of the handlebars is a large 4.5-inch LCD screen that is clearly and easy to read in all conditions. It remains sufficient contrasty in bright sunlight while not blinding at night. It displays all key information while riding, from speed and the battery status to the selected operation mode and distance travel. Everything is displayed clearly and without unnecessary color. One of the most interesting features is the unlocking system. Instead of the classic key, the L1 Max uses NFC card and a security password. After you press power button, it is enough to hold one of the two cards, put it against the screen, and the scooter is on and ready to ride. In practice, this is extremely practical because there is no need to worry about losing the key, and the level of security is significantly higher than with basic solutions. The buttons on the handlebars feel solid and high quality. All controls respond precisely and without delay, which further contributes to the feeling of control and reliability while riding. The braking system on the L1 Max scooter leaves this very good impression from the first strong braking. There are disc brakes at the front and the rear supported by the ABS system, which prevents the wheels from locking during sudden stops. In real driving, braking is linear and predictable. There is no sudden jerks or feeling of loss of control even at the higher speeds. This type of braking system inspires confidence and allows the rider to feel safe even in the more demanding traffic situations. For a scooter that can reach 50 km per hour, this type of braking system is not a luxury but necessary, and here it is very well executed. The folding mechanism of this scooter feels solid and secure. The process itself is simple and quick, but with the weight of almost 30 kg, it's clear that this is not a scooter that you will often carry upstairs. When folded, it fits easily in the trunk of the car, making it practical for transporting to the starting point of the ride. However, the philosophy of this model is not in extreme portability, but in stability and ride quality, and it remains consistent in this. With a maximum speed of 50 km per hour, the L1 Max requires a responsible approach to driving. After all this, I can safely say that the Ausom L1 Max is one of the most balanced electric scooters I've ridden in this class. It doesn't try to be the fastest and the craziest on the market, but it does offer something that is much more important in the long run: a smooth ride, excellent stability, a really good range, and the feeling of riding a serious, reliable machine. This is a scooter that can easily be your daily commute, but also a wicked partner for longer rides, parks, and easily gravel paths. The longer you ride it, the more you appreciate it, and that's the best compliment a scooter can get. If you're thinking about buying one, I have to emphasize that Geekbuying is currently one of the best places to buy the Ausom L1 Max model. With a coupon code, that price becomes very competitive compared to what the scooter offers. I will leave you the link and the coupon below this video in description. As always, don't wait too long, models with this price to feature ratio usually sell out so quickly. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the review, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tests like this, and we'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.